Advancements in 3D printing seem to be happening almost always on a daily basis. In China, developers are 3D printing entire houses, and Dutch designers just announced the first ever 3D printed metal furniture.
All right, right here in New York, 3D printing is revolutionizing the world of medicine, which is a huge application. Dan Bowen shows us in this month's Big Idea.
We're on the verge of something much bigger happening.
Imagine it, design it, hold it in your hands.
We really see this as the next industrial revolution.
With 3D printers regularly available for less than $2,000, technology first introduced in the 80s is now open to a whole new market. It's creating a wave of innovation and new competition among entrepreneurs like Jerry Castanos. He just opened 3D Heights, a full-service printing lab in Morningside Heights. Among his top clients, med students at nearby Columbia University.
It gives them the capability to go from design to physical product within a day or so, compared to, several weeks.
Which brings us into the basement at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in Manhattan.
That's where biomedical engineering always is.
And that is where Dr. Paul Frisch, chief of the biomedical engineering department, keeps a pair of the shiny new microwave-sized devices tucked away in a corner. Three-dimensional printers work by turning computer models into solid reality. Think of it like a hot glue gun, spreading layers of material like plastic, metal, or even living cells over and over and over again until those layers add up to the object.
In the long term, I'll be able to build just-in-time replacement implants. I'll be able to build bone segments for various surgical procedures.
Yes, Dr. Frisch believes in the not-so-distant future, bone and body parts could be printed in the bowels of a hospital. At the moment, having the machines means places like Sloan Kettering can print and refine prototypes much faster than having to design and ship with an outside company.
On the research side, it produces results much more rapidly, and it helps me to evaluate the results much more rapidly.
Rapid results and more detailed procedures. At the University of Missouri Health Center, 3D printers turn CAT scans into custom models of people's spines, hips, and knees. Orthopedic surgeon Dr. Daniel Hornsheimer says it's an invaluable hands-on blueprint.
Makes it easier to understand, count vertebra, understand where the abnormal anatomy is, what is present, and then really kind of guide us to what we wanted to accomplish with this young lady's surgery.
And meet 9-year-old Kylie Wicker from Illinois. She was born without fingers. Students from her school used a 3D printer to create her a prosthetic hand by downloading and following instructions they found online. It's part of a worldwide effort known as the RoboHand Project.
I can finally ride my bike.
3D printing and scanning prosthetics is among the most popular applications of the technology at the moment. For example, a prosthetic limb like this can be created on a printer that costs less than about $1,500 in about 24 hours or less for a cost of about $5. And what's coming next in the world of 3D printing is much more ambitious.
Schedel is van voor op maat gemaakt.
Earlier this year, for the first time ever, doctors in the Netherlands replaced most of a human skull with a custom-fit plastic 3D printed one.
People can take more risks.
Bree Pettis is CEO of Brooklyn-based MakerBot, one of the first companies to offer affordable 3D printers to the masses.
It's really changing lives and saving lives.
He says the procedure in the Netherlands provides momentum to scientists already using living cells to print organs like ears, livers, and even heart valves. Many experts believe fully functional replacement body parts could be just a decade away.
You can make a mold on your MakerBot to make a chocolate, or you can make a mold on your MakerBot to mold biomaterial to make a liver or an implant or a new knee.
A new world of possibilities that could be printing up in a basement near you. Dan Bowens, Fox 5 News.